How to write an overview for a map, or we can say for maps or plans. How to write an overview for maps or plans. Most of the students are oftenly confused what to write in overview paragraph, what points should be covered, points in overview. So let's discuss what points to be covered in maps or plans for the overview paragraph. And one thing you should remember always, it should be second paragraph. It should be second paragraph only. Okay, let's look at the example. Okay, let's look at this example. University Sports Center present is like this, and here are the plans for future University Sports Center. So we can see in this portion there are lot of changes. They will be coming in, like sports hall, dance. There are 2 dance studios, changing room and cafe, and here also we are looking at like changing room and sports shop. And in fact nothing was there in nothing is there at present, and they will be making constructing leisure pool also here. So how will we writing the overview for this paragraph? So we will be discussing about this significant change. It means in the plan or maps there is a growth of these things, growth and or we can say development of this area into so many facilities in the future. Let's write it. Let's see how to write the overview paragraph. Overall, it can be observed in the plans or maps there is a growth in the size of sports center with the introduction of new facilities like studios, cafe, changing rooms, like this. Overall, there is a growth in the size of sports center with the introduction of new facilities like dance studios. You can write here dance studios, cafe, changing rooms, etc. If you want, you should not write the number of dance studios and number of cafes or changing rooms. You should write only introduction of new facilities like dance studios, cafe, changing rooms and all. That's it for the overall overview paragraph. Thank you so much.